getting ready to add some value to our skeleton hand. So we have previously drawn this hand out, we have put our bones in, and now we're ready to add some value. So I want you to choose a white oil pastel, and then a color of your choice. I would do something maybe not super light, but really up to you what you'd like to do. All right, I'm going to start out by adding my highlight into all of my bones. They're going to be on the same side of every bone. So I'm going to imagine that my light is coming from the left-hand side. So all of the left-hand part of my bones are going to have some highlights in it. So I'm just going to quickly start and just keeping right around the edges of these bones. I'm doing about half.
All right, here we go. So, it looks like last class we worked on these. We finished them. Right. So we're a little bit behind the other classes, so we do need to catch up. We're starting a brand new project that I love. Yeah. So. What's the question of the day? Be nice and appropriate. Okay. We'll see if you guys can get the joke because no one has so far. We're just sort of like doing stuff. These things will be like all right. Here we go. Let's do our prayer in the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen. Dear Lord,
thank you for our gifts, imagination, and creativity.
Okay, now next I'm going to go in and I'm going to put my lower value in on the opposite side. I have chosen green for this one. So I'm not going to be blending yet. There might be some blending that happens when you're adding this in, but you don't want to purposely blend. So I'm going to go ahead.
Buffalo wings.
Sushi. Oh my gosh, I'm hungry. Sushi's mine. Sushi. Steak. Sushi? Mine's sushi too. These are good. Let's get over there on the right side table. What do you want? What would yours be, Madam? Yeah? Ooh, California roll. Hot dog. I love hot dogs. Okay. Sushi. Oh, we have a lot of sushi lovers. I love that. And it's healthy for you, right?
Yeah, let's do that and tacos, because tacos have lettuce and meat.
I do love tacos. Now I'm hungry. Okay, ready? Let's see. Frankie, let's see if you guys can get this. What do you get when you combine an elephant and a fish? You know what he's saying.
He says what?
Of course he knows.
What?
Wait, let me think. A shark. An elephant. A rainbow
An
elephant.
elephant.
An
An elephant.
I love fish.
It's not an animal.
I love fish.
I know it.
What is it? It's a rainbow.
What is it? Okay, we're using up time, so I'm going to go ahead and give you this. Ready?
No, he's knows it. A trunk rainbow. Trunk of fish? Trunk of fish.
Just a fish trunk.
We're going to give Ethan half credit. We got at least half of it in the summer question. What do you get when you combine an elephant and a fish? You get swim
Swim
trunks.
trunks.
What? Nobody does that.
A fish swims.
Yeah,
An elephant has trunks. Swim trunks.
Oh.
So, fin to boat.
But there's a lot
Okay, now we are ready to do some blending. I like to start out using my white oil pastel. So I am not blending the entire section. I am just blending where my two colors meet. So for example, down here, I'm just going to take my white and blend right over where those two colors meet, thus creating a third color. Okay, I can then go back in with my color, my dark color, the green, and I'm going to go back over where that new color meets, thus creating a value scale.
So she loves bright, colorful artwork, and she does what we call landscapes. Landscapes are nature scenes typically, so it's something you would see in the outdoors. She is inspired by, one, bright colors from Mexico. Mexico, typically their clothing, everything is very bright. But also, there are these amazing people, this village, this tribe, that lives near them. They're called the Tetrahumaras. It is a, ready? It is a tribe of people, as young people, all the way to old, run every day. They run. That's what they do. For them, it's a very spiritual thing, connecting with Earth. It also keeps them super healthy and they eat healthy. But when I say they run, first off, they run in sandals, not tennis shoes. And when I say run, they can run up to 400 miles at one time. So they will run like 24 straight hours. Now, they don't do this every day, but some of them, especially the ones that compete in marathons, they'll come over to the United States and compete in marathons and they'll win. Or marathons. I don't know, sweetie. Yeah. They wear just regular like clothing, clothing for them. They wear sandals. They run in sandals. Okay. So anyway, I will next class show you some more information about them because I think they're so interesting. And they live very long. But that's probably because they exercise every day and they eat really well, right? Okay. So I love her artwork. We're gonna go ahead and look at some of her artwork. Okay. So that is her. Okay. So we're now gonna take a look at her gallery of artwork, which is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. So what do you notice? What are some of the things you notice about this artwork that you're seeing?
There's white. There are many shapes.
Oh, perfect. That's what I was looking for. So obviously a lot of colors, right? But it's a lot of lines in it to create shapes, right? So she's very unique in how she does it, and it almost looks like stained glass, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't it almost look like some of these like stained glass? And also, do you notice that they're all outdoor, like wildlife or landscape outdoors?
Oh wait, I think I know why they're all outside because she's part of that tribe, right?
She's not part of the tribe, but they live next to her city of Chihuahua, and they run through her city every single day.
So maybe she's like asked the people like what they see on their nature walks.
Well, she says that the reason why she paints what she does is because everything around her is just so beautiful. Like that's what she sees every day, and she wants to share it. But I think they're just so beautiful. Now, let's look at this one. Isn't that cool? We are doing, and we're gonna do it.
Wait, is
here.
that string?
No, the lines. The lines. No, she does her lines in gold paint pen.
It
We're
looks
not.
like-
So she paints these. We're not gonna paint. We're doing it slightly different, so it'll look like this. But where ours is gonna be slightly different. So no, we're using oil pastels. I'm gonna show you one more. We are gonna get started soon. So we can just.
Can you draw a picture of a chihuahua?
She did not.
What?
Okay.
What? She was from Chihuahua.
Okay, so this is very similar. You will need to put a sun in yours. We will draw the cactus is the main focal point of our project. Yes. Okay. Remind me next class.
We have to do this one.
No, listen, guys. You will have the option of either doing one cactus or you can do two on yours. Your paper is not a perfect square, so if you're doing just one cactus, make sure you have it taller. And if you're doing two, I would turn it to the side. But they have to be large, the cactus. We want those to be like the feature that really stand out. So today what we're going to do is we will be drawing the cactus, and you will be making your lines. I want you to look at the lines, how she sections it off. You want them medium-sized sections. And by that, I mean if they're tiny, you are coloring every
Okay, so
one
we
of
have
those
succeeded
sections
adding
in
our
with
value.
an oil
In the next
pastel
video, I will show you how to
separately.
do
So you don't
the
want them so
chalk
tiny that you
glowing
want them
outline. Thanks.
medium